Hi, today we can learn a topic from AP Calculus from derivatives and rates of change. Here we are going to study problem of finding the tangent line to a curve and also problems of finding the velocity and all. Okay, so first of all we can just study the tangent problem. This one we actually studied this in pre-calculus topics too. And what actually first this tangent line mean? That we already know that a tangent line means if we are considering any curve, okay, I just consider a parabola. Then in this parabola, if a line that touches this curve by a single point, okay, then this line we can call it as a tangent line. This one is the tangent line. And also, if a curve intersects at 2 points, then that line is known by the secant line. Okay, these are things we already know, these all things. So first thing we are going to study in this chapter, it's like the tangent line equation, how to find the equation of a tangent line. So for that, for finding out the equation of a tangent line, what actually the equation of a tangent line, that we know that already for m is equal to, what is m? Slope of a line is equal to, m is equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. Okay, in this condition, this m represents the slope of the tangent and y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. Using this, we can find the equation for a tangent line. So here, but we need to know about what is this m. Okay, so for finding out that m, we can use the limits of derivatives. So for using limits, we can find this slope of a tangent slope. By using that, we can find the tangent line equation. So if a curve is given, the tangent line to a curve y equal to f of x at a point P of a comma f of x is the line through P with this slope, then you can find the slope by an equation m is equivalent to limit x tends to a f of x minus f of a by x minus a. Okay, in this condition, if the limits exist, then only we can use this formula. Also, we can use another formula, that is m equivalent to limit h tends to 0 f of a plus h minus f of a by x. Okay, actually this formula, like how this h tends to 0 means, it's like here we can substitute this h as what? X minus a. If h tends to 0, then that means what? H tends to, if h tends to a, then that means h tends to what? 0, because x is a, then a minus a equivalent to 0. That is how we can get this formula. And in place of h from this, you can get like x equivalent to what? H plus a. Okay, that's how we write this formula. M equal to limit h tends to 0 f of a plus h minus f of a by h. So first of all, using this formula, we can solve a problem. Here we have to find the equation of a tangent line to the hyperbola y equal to 3 by x at the point 3 comma 1. So here we know the function, that is y equal to 3 by x is our function. So for finding out equation of a tangent line, first of all we need to know the slope. For finding out slope, we can use the formula m equal to, here I am going to use the formula like limit x tends to a f of x minus f of a by x minus a. Okay, so in this point, what is actually this x tends to a? Okay, here they given the coordinate point. So actually this coordinate point 3 comma 1 means what? X comma y. So what be the x value here? That is 3. So you can use that m is equivalent to what? Limit x tends to 3 f of x minus f of a. Okay, what is a here? 3 minus by x minus 3. So in place of f of x, you can this y equivalent to 3 by x, that is actually what equal to the function f of x. So here you can just, instead of this f of x, you can write this 3 by x minus, what is f of 3? F of x is 3 by x. Then here if you substitute the value of x as 3, then you will get 3 by 3, that equivalent to 1. So that is 3 minus x by 1 divided by x minus 3. Then just by solving it, you can just know that limit x tends to 3 is what? 3 minus x divided by x into x minus 3. Okay, then now you can just substitute the value of first here you can see here 3 minus x by x minus 3. If you are taking a negative sign from inside or taking it outside, then x limit x tends to 3 minus x minus 3 divided by x into x minus 3. So you can cancel, both are common factors, so you can just cancel it. So the remaining is limit x tends to 3 minus 1 by x. That is just substituting the limit value, then you will get 1 by 3. So negative 1 by 3 is the slope. So we know the slope formula, that is m equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. So in this we know the slope now. So the slope is minus 1 by 3. So those equivalent to what is y2? Y2 is our the coordinate points. One point is 3 comma 1 and another point for finding out equation of a tangent line is x comma 1. So that is y minus 1 divided by x minus 3. So just solving this, you can write an equation like, after solving it, we get an equation like x plus 3y minus 6 equal to 0 is the equation of the tangent line. Okay, then if we are drawing it in a graphical way, you can see this graph. This one is the graph that represents the x equal to 3 by x. It's an inverse function. We already know how to plot this and all. Okay, and the tangent line that passing, that is x plus 3y minus 6 equal to 0 is the tangent line. This one is a tangent line. Here you can see only the point that intersect is 3 comma 1. Okay, okay, that's it. Okay, then bye.